Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on this Tevin style, which is super easy and simple. So I'm going to get right into it. If you're a mom, this is amazing because this takes a second to do, and if you're in a rush, this is great. If you're going somewhere fancy, this is great because it just looks so nice. Here's your scarf. This scarf I actually got years and years and years ago. There's actually a tutorial of me wearing this scarf on my channel from 2015. So you grab your scarf, anyone. I added a little bit of extra volume because I didn't have my undercap that has volume on it, so I just put some around there. Then you just grab your scarf, super easy. You have one pretty short side, so it's just this long, and then one super long side. You align it with your cap or your hairline, and then bring it all forward and do a, like, basically tie it like this. Now don't pull it, still have space, and then tuck everything in between like this, like that. Now you want to just grab this bit, put it there, and then what I did was I got the long side, brought it round like this, then I just sorted this bit out. I didn't even sort it out, I kind of just went like this and then tucked it in. Tucked it all in, and how simple was that style? Like, seriously, so simple and so easy, and I just love the results. And it just looks like this. Then all I did was get an earring. Check out this super cool earring that I have, and then I put it through my scarf. I just find this works easier because when I put earrings through my ears and wear a scarf, I find that because I have to have my ears out, like either my hair starts coming out or it keeps rolling back, something basically happens. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple, easy and quick, and I shall see you in my next video.